We all think that the Earth is the best place for life, but that's not the case, because scientists have officially discovered a ton of planets willing to challenge Earth. Of course, why not? Since there are more stars in the cosmos than grains of sand on every beach on Earth, and nearly every single one of them holds a family of planets moving in the dark. Statistically, any world you can imagine already exists. The four that we are looking at today are said to mathematically better for life than us. From the God world to the so-called Earth 2.0. I am Philip and you are watching Space Library. Let's bypass the boring deserts of Mars to enter four worlds that should be perfect for us, but are hiding secrets that will make you glad you are trapped on Earth. Because the universe doesn't give paradise for free. To start with is Kepler 452b. We begin with the world astronomers officially called as 2.0. Kepler 452b. If you looked at it carefully, this world feels perfect. A single year lasts 384 days. It has massive rocky continents, vast oceans, and a sun identical to ours. Even better, it is entirely alone. There is no monster like Jupiter in its system. You have probably been told your whole life that Jupiter protects us by swallowing asteroids. But that is a complete lie. Recent physics simulations prove that systems without a gas giant actually experiences 3 times fewer asteroid impacts. Kepler 452b is a peaceful cosmic safe haven, except for one detail. It is a super-Earth, 5 times more massive than our planet. The moment you step onto its surface, the crushing gravity doubles your weight. Your skeleton strains, your heart desperately fights to pump blood to your brain. And as you look up, you realize the ultimate horror. Its sun is much older than ours, and it is entering its death cycle. The ocean on Earth 2.0 are actively boiling. The atmosphere is thickening into a suffocating, toxic greenhouse. We didn't find our future home. We found a snapshot of Earth's death. Let's travel to the next one. Kepler 22b, the boiling abyss. If a planet running out of water terrifies you, what happens when a planet has too much? To find out, we have to travel 600 light years away to Kepler 22b. This world sits perfectly in the habitable zone, but it has 0 continents, 0 islands, 0 solid ground. It is a true water world, a global ocean, hundreds of kilometers deep, encasing the entire planet. On Earth, life begins in the pitch black vents at the bottom of our sea. Kepler 22b has had billions of years for that exact process to run wild. But beneath waves that high, there is absolute darkness and unimaginable pressure. If life exists in this endless abyss, it has evolved in the dark for eons. We are talking about blind, colossal apex predators swimming in a world with no bottom and no sky. So, this planet cannot challenge us at all. Let's teleport to TRAPPIST-1. Just 39 light years away sits the TRAPPIST-1 system, an incredible gold mine of 7 Earth-sized worlds huddled around a red dwarf star. Living here would look like a sci-fi movie. The planets are so close together that you could look up at the night sky and see your neighboring worlds floating past. So close you could see their clouds moving with your naked eyes. But this extreme closeness comes from a dangerous reality. Because their sun is small and cold, the planets must orbit terrifyingly close to stay warm. So close that gravity has locked them in place. They are tightly locked. They do not spin. One side of TRAPPIST-1 is permanently blasted by solar radiation, a squat melting desert of endless day. The other side faces the empty void, a frozen, desolate wasteland of permanent, pitch-black night. Humanity could only survive in the twilight strip, a razor-thin line of land between the fire and the ice, where the sun hangs permanently on the horizon, never rising and never setting. A single step too far east and you burn alive. A single step too far west and you will freeze to death. For that reason, let's check the God World KOI 5715.01. But why is it called the God World? I will tell you that in a second. KOI 5715.01 is a massive world twice the size of Earth, orbiting a super stable orange dwarf star. Our sun will die in 5 billion years. This star will burn peacefully for 70 billion years. Life on Earth has only had 4 billion years to evolve. And look what we have built. Imagine what life looks like on a world that has been evolving uninterrupted for 50 billion years. If civilization exists there, they are not looking for a home. They have likely constructed Dyson spheres, hyperstructures, and conquered physics itself. It is the most perfect, super-habitable planet in the known universe. But here is the final realization. It is 300 light years away. If we board our fastest spacecraft today, it would take us 100,000 years to get there. And if we finally arrived, we would not be colonizers. We would be primitives, bugs stepping into a kingdom of gods. The universe isn't empty. It's just way bigger and far more terrifying than we want to admit. For now, the only true paradise is the one we are already standing on. May your God keep you till we meet in the next video.